Hello everyone, and welcome back to Crafty Corner Pro Max. Kitchens are the heart of our homes, but they can also be a magnet for mess and clutter. Maintaining a clean, organized, and functional kitchen doesn't have to be expensive or overwhelming. That's why I'm excited to share some of my favorite kitchen and home tips and hacks with you today. In this video, we'll dive into 10 amazing ideas that will save you time and money while making your kitchen more enjoyable and efficient. So grab your notepads and let's get started. Our first tip is about creating a clean and healthy kitchen environment without breaking the bank or using harsh chemicals. To make your own cleaner, you'll need white vinegar, water, and a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Combine equal parts vinegar and water in a spray bottle, add your essential oil, and give it a good shake. This cleaner tackles grease, grime, and everyday messes on your countertops, stovetop, and sink. The vinegar cuts through grease and removes odors, while the essential oil adds a lovely fragrance. It's effective, economical, and incredibly easy to make. We've all been there. You buy fresh herbs, use a small amount, and the rest wilts in the refrigerator. The solution? Ice cube trays. They're fantastic for freezing leftover herbs and keeping them fresh for months. Finely chop your herbs and divide them into the compartments of an ice cube tray. Fill the tray with either water or olive oil, depending on how you plan to use the herbs. Water is great for soups and stews, while olive oil adds richness to roasted vegetables and pasta dishes. Once frozen, you have perfectly portioned herb cubes ready to elevate your cooking. Simply toss a cube or two into your dish while cooking for a burst of fresh flavor. No more wasted herbs. A sparkling clean sink is the hallmark of a well-maintained kitchen. Baking soda is a natural cleaning powerhouse that lifts away stains and grime while neutralizing odors. Sprinkle a generous amount of baking soda over your sink, paying extra attention to stained areas. Using a damp sponge or cloth, gently scrub the baking soda into the surface in a circular motion. Rinse thoroughly with warm water, and for an extra touch of sparkle, polish with a soft, dry cloth. Your sink will be gleaming. We all know that a well-organized kitchen is a happy kitchen. DIY drawer dividers can transform your drawers from chaotic to controlled. Use materials you likely already have around the house, like cardboard boxes or cereal boxes. Measure your drawer, cut the cardboard to size, and create compartments that fit your needs. Arrange the dividers in your drawer for designated sections for utensils, tools, and gadgets. Did you know that storing onions and potatoes together can cause them to spoil faster? Onions release ethylene gas, which speeds up the spoilage of potatoes. Store onions in a cool, dark, and well-ventilated environment, like a hanging wire basket or mesh bag. Potatoes prefer a cool, dark, and slightly humid environment, like a cardboard box or paper bag. By keeping them separate, you'll prevent premature spoilage and ensure both stay fresher for longer. Why spend money on a bulky dish drying rack when you can repurpose a cooling rack? Place the cooling rack over your sink or on your countertop after washing your dishes. The raised wire grid allows for excellent air circulation, promoting quick and efficient drying. The slim profile takes up less space, making it ideal for smaller kitchens. When not in use, store it in a drawer or cupboard. Refrigerators can quickly become a game of Tetris with jars, containers, and bags vying for space. Use binder clips to hang bags of frozen fruits, vegetables, small condiments, or leftover herbs from their stems. Clip the bag to a shelf rack to create more vertical storage space. This simple hack keeps your refrigerator organized and maximizes space. You'll see everything at a glance, reducing food waste and improving efficiency. Wooden spoons, spatulas, and cutting boards are a staple in many kitchens. Over time, they can look dry, dull, and develop cracks. Coconut oil is a natural moisturizer that works wonders on wood. Wash your wooden utensils thoroughly with warm, soapy water. Once dry, apply a generous amount of coconut oil to the surface, using a clean cloth or your fingers. Let the oil soak in for at least 30 minutes or overnight. Buff away any excess oil with a clean cloth, and your wooden utensils will look and feel like new. Meal prepping can feel daunting, but muffin tins make it a breeze. Create mini frittatas or egg muffins by whisking together eggs, vegetables, cheese, and seasonings. Divide the mixture among the muffin cups and bake until set. Muffin tins are also great for freezing individual servings of soups, stews, or sauces. Fill the muffin cups, freeze until solid, then transfer to a freezer-safe bag or container. You'll have perfectly portioned meals ready to reheat and enjoy. Tackle the common kitchen nuisance of unruly trash bags with a DIY dispenser. Use an empty rectangular tissue box to create a convenient and space-saving trash bag dispenser. Remove any remaining tissues and the plastic opening at the top. Stack your trash bags inside the box, ensuring they're smooth and evenly distributed. Pull the first bag's drawstring through the opening of the tissue box. Place the dispenser under your sink or in a pantry for easy access. Well, there you have it. 10 of my favorite kitchen and home tips and hacks to help you save time, money, and create a more organized and efficient space. These ideas not only help you keep your kitchen clean, but also save you money and time in the long run. If you found these hacks helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to Crafty Corner Pro Max for more creative and inspiring ideas. Share your favorite hack in the comments below, or let me know if you have any money-saving kitchen tips of your own. Until next time, happy organizing.